Hello everyone, welcome back to Mus Traders. We are looking at the AUD CAD pair on IQ option. I want you to notice two key things here. First, the price has dropped down to touch this lower yellow line, the Bollinger Band. And second, it is rejecting a strong horizontal support level. This is a classic reversal setup. When the candles pierce that lower band and fail to break through the support zone, it tells us the sellers are exhausted. The market is effectively oversold. I am expecting the buyers to step in immediately to push the price back towards the middle of the channel. Watch this candle closely. You might see it struggle or dip slightly, but don't panic. In binary options, trust your levels. We're trading the reaction to that support zone. The RSI at the bottom also confirms that momentum is shifting upwards. And there is the rejection we were waiting for. A strong push-up in the final seconds. Perfect execution. The price respected our support level exactly as predicted. That is a clean $46 profit in just 1 minute. If you want to learn how to draw these levels yourself, make sure to subscribe to Mus Traders and hit the like button. See you in the next trade.